Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can change Skype password. So to begin with, it is worth mentioning that, well, since you use your Microsoft account in order to log into the Skype application, if you would like to change the Skype password, that means that you will also but that means that you will have to change the Microsoft account password. In order to do that, from the Skype app, open your profile profile details page, or profile options, manage profile options, whatever is this section called. In here at the very top, tap at the My Microsoft Account link, then log into your Microsoft account by entering the password, the current password that you have. Then tap at the sign in. In here, we'll wait until the page gets loaded. Then at the, pretty much first page that it will bring you to, you'll have the change password option, which you want to tap on. In here, tap at the email address of yours. Then you'll receive the code that will be sent to your email inbox. So let me check mine real quick. Here it is. My code is 5627117. So it's 5627117. Verify. Then you'll need to enter your current password. After that, at the respective field, enter your new password. Then re-enter your new password to confirm. Then tap at the save button over here. And well, just like so, we have successfully changed our Skype, thus Microsoft account password. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.